Hi there. I just washed my hair and I applied coconut oil. That's why my hair is shining. Then I thought, what can I do, or what style am I going to put on my hair that can last me for 3 to 4 days at least? So I came up when I went to my stuff, I found this braid it's half a braid. I had used it to make some thin cornrows. It is half of the braid. I used it to make these thin cornrows, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. They're jumbo braids, so they're not gonna last long to knit. And this is how it turned out. It's just a style that you can do in around 15 minutes and you're done and you shine. Subscribe.